Hey Pitmasters, what is up? Today we're going to be making cheese steak sliders. As always, the first thing that we're going to do is fire up our barbecue. We're going to be using some big block charcoal. We don't want too much in there. Put in a fire starter, light it up, and let the barbecue slowly come up to temperature. Put the grill grate on. Ooh my, it's a little dirty. We'll burn it off when the grill is hot, and we'll clean it up a little bit. Cheers. We'll put some oil in the pan. Our oil's nice and hot. We'll put our minced meat in the pan. This is around ½ a kilo of minced meat without spices, so we need to add flavor to this. I've got some fresh Italian herbs right here, some sage, some thyme, some oregano. Let's cut that fine. We'll put it in a pan and stir it up. Now you might think I've forgotten, but I didn't. Let's put in some garlic, our most important ingredient. I was watching Sam the Cooking Guy. Do you guys know that channel? It's really awesome. You should definitely check that out. And he had cheese steak sliders, and I was thinking like, there's no steak in there, but if he can get away with it, I might be able to get away with it too. So that's why we're calling it cheese steak sliders. Sliders is cool, right? Yeah. Sounds tasty. Chopping. Put it in the pan. We'll stir that up. Oh, look at that. We got a nice crust going. That's going to be the best part. A little bit of fresh ground pepper and a pinch of salt. This is looking good. We got a nice bit of crisp on our minced meat. Let's give it a try. It's hot. Really good. I could add a lump of butter, a small one. The butter will make the minced meat nice and creamy. Our minced meat is done. I'm taking it off the grill. This stuff smells so good. Nice and crispy. I got a 12 pack of dinner rolls. We're going to cut those in half. In the Netherlands, we call these white points. We'll put our minced meat on the dinner rolls. It smells so good. I'm going to put this in an oven tray, and I got this beautiful cast iron oven tray that is exactly the right size. I'll put some mayonnaise in it. What? I'm Dutch. I can put mayonnaise on whatever I want. Basically, in this case, mayonnaise is butter, but it just tastes better. We'll put our buns and minced meat into our pan. Carefully slide it out. Look at that. Now we don't want to leave it just like this. We want to add more flavor to it. So I'm going to add a little bit of sliced onion. Sweet onion, so it's not overpowering. It looks so good already. Oh man, I want to eat it right now. Let's put on our cheese. This is mozzarella cheese. And this is not the real mozzarella, of course. This is the fake stuff. But it just melts so easily. I'm just going to put everything on.
Yeah, that's probably the best idea.
It is, huh? We could leave some, but it's just, what are you going to do with the rest? We'll put our white buns on right now. This is going to be so good. Ooh, look at that. We got a mountain already. These things are standing out, but we're not done yet. We need to add more flavor to this. We'll make a little bit of garlic butter. We'll chop fine some garlic, put on a little bit of salt, and with the tip of your knife, mush it fine. Chop fine some parsley, add this to the pan, and add our clarified butter and let it all melt. The smells that are filling up the studio are just crazy. Our butter is fully clarified. Time to drizzle it over our buns.
Man.
This is gonna be good, right? This is gonna be so good. I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt on top of that so we get that crunchy salt on the outside. Wow, this is gonna be so good. This thing is driving me crazy. It smells so good. We can't just eat it like it is, right, Marcel? Let's put it on the grill anyway. I got a fly in my eye.
Where?
You see a fly?
No.
It was in my eye. It's like annoying me. It's like, summer is coming, I'm gonna be annoying. If every fly in the world would subscribe, that would be nice. We'll set it over indirect heat. And we got the grill set to a temperature of 160 degrees Celsius. Look at this. Oh, you see this? They're sagging. The cheese is melting and the buns are sagging. I think it's time to take them off. The cheese is fully molten. Definitely nice and crispy on the outside. Time to eat! Finally. So hungry. This looks so good. You hungry?
I'm really, really hungry.
Let me try first. Let me just get one out. Wow. Look at that. Finally, it's time. The most important part of this video, the taste test. It's packed full with flavors, but I mean that rich flavor, you know, garlic, onion, a little bit of minced meat, and most importantly the cheese. This is so good.
How many you got left?
Not enough.
Okay.
Okay,
I'll call my mother.
I'll take this side and then we split the other half in half, so you can have like a little bit. Mozzarella, toasty cheese, special cheese for grilled cheese sandwich. It looks good on camera, it tastes good, but there's nothing that can beat young Gouda cheese. So next time we're using young Gouda again. I think this is no longer part of the taste test, right? I'm officially eating now. It just tastes good. It's just so good. It's so easy to make. And the funny thing is there's a little bit of a hint of barbecue flavor on there. I think the charcoal just adds a little bit of aroma and it does the bun really good. It gives it a crispy outside, it enhances the flavor. Wow, look at that. This is just crazy. I'm saving the cheesy morsel.
It's horrible.
I'm like a superhero to cheese. It's horrible. It's so good. Look at that. It's a complete mess. It's like a little present. It's a mountain of goodness. It is soft and crunchy at the same time. It's creamy, it has that slight onion flavor to it, and then the crispy minced meat inside. This is an absolutely fantastic dish to make. This is fantastic for lunch, it's fantastic for breakfast. You can put this on any type of barbecue. Absolutely gorgeous. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video recipe because, man, we're gonna enjoy our feast. If you did, leave us a big thumbs up and a comment down below, and a big thank you to our Patreons and YouTube members. You guys freaking rock, but you guys know it already. See you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk and keep on grilling.
My turn.
Oh, I forgot you.